My name is Dr. Amal Chandra. I'm from Ernakulam, Kerala. I'm a homeopathic doctor by profession. I'm here to talk about the COVID-19, alternative systems of medicine, and basic personal hygiene. Basic personal hygiene is something which you've all heard over the past few weeks from multiple sources, so I won't go into that. I just need to stress on why it's important. Because right from childhood, we've always idolized the countries like US, which are on the forefront of fighting any sort of global emergency. But then why is it that when an actual pandemic happened that they can't do anything? That's because in times of crisis like these, it is the equal responsibility of the healthcare professionals and the citizens to make sure that it does not spread rapidly. And that is where developed countries like the US has failed, because the citizens there have been acting really irresponsibly. That is, they haven't been following the social distancing norms which has been advised by the healthcare professionals. So that is why you need to be reminded of the importance of social distancing protocols, the importance of personal hygiene, and the importance of the regulations which the authorities or the health professionals tell you to do. And as responsible citizens, it is up to you to make sure that even people around you, even people who may not be as literate as you are, to follow these norms. And that is why I'm not going into the details of why of what you should do, because you've all heard over the past few weeks you need to wash your hands, you need to follow social distancing, and you need to stay inside your house and avoid unnecessary visits. So I gave this American example to stress the importance of how the community participation can help in dealing with a pandemic. Now, moving on to alternative systems of medicine. The word itself is alternative system of medicine. That is, when there is an alternative, that is homeopathy, Ayurveda, Unani, and Siddha. These are the alternative systems of medicine which are propagated in India by the Ayush Ministry. The Ayush Ministry was formed by the NDA government, it is an excellent step towards the integration of alternative systems of medicine and making accessible healthcare accessible to a huge section of the society. And in a country like India, where quality healthcare is often a luxury which is limited to the upper middle class and the rich sections of the society, alternative systems of medicine can actually go a long way, because for a lot of lifestyle disorders there are exceptional treatments in alternative medicine. And I'm not talking about just homeopathy, I'm talking about Ayurveda, Unani, and Siddha, where there are treatments which actually treat the root of the disease and remove the disease as the disease as a whole, rather than just treating the symptoms. And even in the case of this pandemic, the Ayush Ministry released the guidelines for prescribing arsenicum album, and it was successful even in Mumbai, where Arsal was distributed to all the police personnel who were fighting COVID-19, because the state had seen an exceptional case of community spread. So my point is, alternative systems of medicine cannot be ignored for a longer period of time, because there's always that potential to grow, and by not using it, we're making a huge mistake. This is my personal opinion. You might differ on it based on what your subjective views are. And apart from homeopathy, even Siddha has claimed that they also have prophylactics for COVID-19. And what even though the government right now has not been very effective in doing this, because they did face a backlash when they spoke about the album, what in whichever places it has been implemented, the difference has been pretty evident, because alternative medicines are comparatively cheaper, and the healthcare, which is one of the most expensive industries right now in the world, uh, is actually becoming more expensive day by day. So when you have a cheaper alternative, why don't you give it a try? Like, why not go for that? And this Jignasa initiative is by the ABVP, and it really makes me proud to say that even I come from a right wing family, and it is of great pleasure for someone like me to see that, apart from the Seva Bharati, which is doing exceptional service in COVID affected areas like the Mumbai and Delhi, the ABVP is also doing its bit for the citizens of this country. And I would like to congratulate all the office bearers of the ABVP for this excellent initiative, and I hope you do this more and more in the future. Thank you so much.